A big thank you to all the social care staff working across Rhondda and Taff. Your work is always appreciated, but I know during this difficult time what you are doing to support the elderly and the vulnerable really is appreciated by people right across this county. Those clients, those family members, keep up the good work. We are really grateful for what you are doing. Thank you.